But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hi everybody, today I want to show you this new ergonomic chair that I just got. It comes in this box and all you have to do is put it together. It takes just a few minutes, so I'm going to show you step by step how it's done. Comes with all the tools and all the hardware you need. Well, it took me less than 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes to put it together. It's very comfortable. You can adjust how you want to lean back, so you can adjust it and lock it as to whatever angle you want, and height. And here again, this one and this one locks whether you want to put this part further back or out from your back. Pretty cool. The arms you can push. Let's see, look like this, so you can see. You can push it forward or back like that, as well as you can go down or up. And you can also go in or out. That's pretty cool. So very comfortable. Again, has a lumbar support. Very good. This one again is adjustable, either up, forward, back, however way you want it. Very nice. I like it, and the material is good to, it's breathable. There's a lot of space in between, so it's breathable and washable, stain resistant, and you have no problem with that. Very sleek and very ergonomic, very nice style. So, and a lot of adjustments. So I hope you guys find it as useful, as modern, and as comfortable as I am.